Welcome back to Verge News, your trusted source for all things immigration. I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into a major legal development on birthright citizenship right here in the U.S. Joining me to unpack this pivotal topic is my co-host Michael. Welcome, Michael.
Thanks, Sarah. Happy to be here. This is such an important issue, one that touches the Constitution, immigration policy, and even the everyday lives of countless families. Let's break it down.
Absolutely. On February 6th, U.S. District Judge John Coughenour, based in Seattle, issued a second preliminary injunction against an executive order from Donald Trump. This order attempted to restrict birthright citizenship, limiting automatic citizenship for children born on U.S. soil whose parents are undocumented or on temporary lawful visas. Michael, this isn't the first time this order has been challenged, is it?
Not at all, Sarah. In fact, Judge Coughenour had previously issued a similar temporary restraining order, calling the executive order blatantly unconstitutional. This latest injunction essentially blocks the federal government from implementing the policy while legal challenges proceed. It ensures the continuation of citizenship protections for children born to immigrant parents, at least for now.
Right, and the heart of this legal battle revolves around the 14th Amendment, which was ratified back in 1868. It firmly establishes the principle of birthright citizenship, also known as jus soli, right of the soil. The amendment states, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States. Michael, this principle has been central to U.S. citizenship laws for more than a century.
That's correct, Sarah. The Trump administration's argument hinges on the phrase, subject to the jurisdiction thereof, claiming it excludes children of undocumented immigrants and temporary visa holders. They've positioned this as closing a loophole they believe undermines U.S. immigration laws. But opponents strongly disagree, pointing to the 1898 Supreme Court ruling in United States v. Wong Kim Ark, which upheld that nearly all children born on U.S. soil are citizens, barring specific exceptions like diplomats or hostile foreign agents.
Exactly. And opponents, including Washington State Attorney General Nick Brown, have been unwavering in their criticism. Brown said, "Our argument is simple and true. Birthright citizenship is enshrined in the U.S. Constitution." He and other plaintiffs argue this executive order contradicts long-standing legal precedents and the Immigration and Nationality Act. Michael, what are some potential societal impacts if this order were implemented?
The ripple effects would be profound, Sarah. Without birthright citizenship, children born to immigrant parents might face barriers to federal programs, job opportunities, voting rights, and even obtaining basic identification like passports. States like Washington also argue this could disrupt healthcare, education, and welfare programs tied to citizenship status, potentially reducing federal funding.
It's clear how high the stakes are. For now, Judge Coughenour's preliminary injunction preserves these rights, providing much-needed relief to impacted families while these legal battles unfold. However, Michael, this fight isn't over yet, right?
Not even close. There's another court decision expected in Massachusetts, and with so many states and advocacy groups involved, this could very well land at the U.S. Supreme Court. Legal experts emphasize that how these courts interpret the 14th Amendment could set a historic precedent for the future of immigration policy in America.
That's so true. This debate over birthright citizenship is more than a legal issue. It's a broader discussion about executive power, constitutional rights, and the very values that define the United States. Thanks for breaking that down with me today, Michael.
Always a pleasure, Sarah. And thanks to our listeners for tuning in. This ruling is just one part of a larger story, so we'll be keeping a close eye on any developments.
For more updates on immigration news, be sure to visit us at visaverge.com. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.